Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks. 100 gram of liquid A was dissolved in 1000 gram of liquid B. The vapor pressure of pure liquid B was found to be 500 torr. Calculate the vapor pressure of pure liquid A and its vapor pressure in the solution if the total vapor pressure of the solution is 475 torr, 475 torr. Read the question and identify the context. Here, it is a question of a solution of two volatile liquid, right? Then what is the equation for vapor pressure? Total vapor pressure of the solution will be equal to partial vapor pressure of component A plus partial vapor pressure of the component B. Correct? Now what is PA? PA is PA standard chi A. And what is PB? PB is PB standard chi B. Correct? Now what we have to find? We have to find the vapor pressure of pure liquid A, which means PA standard, and its vapor pressure in the solution, which means you have to find the partial vapor pressure of A in the solution, which means PA. Hope you understand. For solving this, first we can write all the given values. What is mass of liquid A? It's given, right? It is 100 gram. Correct? Now what is the molar mass of A? It is also given 140 gram per mole. Now see what is mass of B. It is 1000 gram, right? Now what is molar mass of B? It is 180 gram, correct? The vapor pressure of pure liquid B is what? 500. So PB standard is given, that is 500, correct? Now total vapor pressure, that is P, that is also given. What is that? P value is 475 torr. Correct. First we are going to find PA. Okay. See, for that, for finding PA, we must find PB, right? Because P value is given, we have to find PA value. So for that purpose, we have to find PB first. How can we find PB? See, there is an equation like this, right? PB is equal to PB standard chi B. PB standard is given in the question. Now how to find chi B? It is very easy because they have given the mass and molar mass of A and B. So from that you can find chi B. Once you get chi B, you will get PB. Once you get PB, you can find P by using this, PA by using this equation. So what is chi B? Chi B is equal to NB by NA plus NB. Correct? Now what is NB? NB is number of moles of B, right? That is mass of B by molar mass of B. Now what is mass of B? 1000. What is molar mass of B? 180. On dividing you will get 5.56. Now what is Na? Number of moles of A is mass of A by molar mass of A. So what is that? 100 by what? 100 by 140. 140. On dividing, you will get 0.714. Substitute these values in the equation for chi B. You will get 5.56 by 0.714 plus 5.56. On calculating, you will get 0.886. So we got chi B value. Okay. Now how to find chi A value? Chi A, we know chi A is equal to 1 minus chi B. So what is that? 1 minus 0.886. And you will get 0.114. So chi A value is 0.114. Chi B value is 0.886. Now we can find PB, right? What is PB? PB is equal to PB standard chi B. What is PB standard? 500. What is chi B? Chi B is 0.886. 0.886. On calculating, we will get 443 torr. Now we can find PA. That is our first task, right? PA. So what is PA? Gives us equation. P is equal to PA plus PB. What is P? 475, right? 475 is equal to PA plus 443. Now what is PA? PA is equal to 475 minus 443 is equal to 32 torr. So we got one of the answer. Now they asked to find PA standard. For that, uses equation. Okay, what is equation? PA is equal to PA standard chi A. What is PA? 32 is equal to PA standard chi A is what? 0.114, which we already find, into 0.114. So what is PA standard? It is 32 by 0.114. On dividing, you will get 280.7 torr. Hope all of you understand.